Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to connect Google My Business to n8n. First, go to n8n and make sure you're logged in. Then click on the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new tab. Now search for Google Business and click on it. After that, click on Action and select an option like Create Post. Next, click on Select Credential, then choose Create New Credential. Here, connect your Google account by following the prompts. Once connected, go back and select the resource you want to work with like post, review, or custom API call. Then choose the operations such as create, delete, get many, or others based on your workflow needs. Now select the account either from the list or by entering its name. After that, select the location, again either from the list or by name. Then choose the post type. You can pick from standard, event, offer, or alert. Now enter the summary content for your post. Finally, go back and check the setup to make sure everything is connected and ready to run. Thanks for watching. Hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.